Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can play against yourself in chess.com. So let's get right into it. Now, there are a few ways in which you can do this. Specifically, I know of two, which I will be showing you. So let's get right into it. Now, firstly, what you're going to want to do to do the first method is, once you're at the homepage of chess.com, go over and hover over the Learn tab. And once you're here, you have a couple of options. Firstly, we're going to go into the classroom, and here you can invite people to join the classroom and see what you're doing. But in this case, if you just want to play against yourself, you just click new room, and now you are in a room that you have set up. You can also click set up position if you want to set up a certain position to practice from, but in essence, this is pretty much all you need to do. And as you can see, you can now play against yourself, rewind or redo and undo, do whatever you want, and that's pretty much it. The second method is go into learn, then go into analysis, just confirm to leave. And in analysis, as you can see, you can set up a position, you can load from a library, you can do whatever you want, and as you can see, you can add as many pieces as you wish. And that is pretty much all you need to do. It is literally as easy as that. Well, actually, once you want to actually play, let me just reset this board a bit. Once you actually want to play in analyze, you just have to set everything up, then click load, and now you can play with yourself. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.